Welcome back to another video. This is day number 6 of my 30-day raw vegan challenge. I'm Korenn Rachelle. Yes, I am a couple days late, but I'm gonna get caught up. The main event is this really delicious vegan Alfredo, and for a snack that I had for day number 6 was just some bananas and peanut butter. Let's jump into the video. So I take these really long, strenuous, workouts. So depending on how many miles I did, sometimes I'll come home and I'll just have a bunch of peanut butter and bananas. Now this is the nicer version of it, but typically it's just a banana with peanut butter on it and maybe some coconut. So here I have some soaked cashews, and this is for my raw vegan Alfredo, as well as some garlic powder. Into the bowl, I have some fresh spinach, and I'm just going to massage this spinach with just a little bit of salt and olive oil. It's not even a full teaspoon, it's just a very small drop. And right on top goes that cashew puree with the garlic, some sea salt, and some hemp seeds. Right in goes my zoodles, and let me tell you, this recipe is really good. Do not skip out on the cashews. They have this really great sweetness that is almost identical to what you would have had in a traditional Alfredo sauce. So this worked really well. Tossing that together onto the plate, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow with day number 7. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures. And check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.